Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So another best site that pays you money doing just watching YouTube videos. So this site is very easy. Just earn $100 and cash out your money. Wow, very easy to earn $100 in a day. As much as possible, you want to earn just doing simple thing. So if you want to know this site that pays you money, just subscribe on my YouTube channel to know more. So let's go. So this is the site here. Get paid to watch videos online. So the more video you watch, the more you earn all over the world. So let's go. You need to register your account. For those of you that don't have accounts and those of you that have, so I've already logged in my account. So you want fast payments and what worldwide available, earn up to $200 per videos you watch for free. So let's go. Member area. So this is my dashboard. You earn $0. So this is the video. If you watch these videos to the end, you would get $5.2. So and there's another trick that you can use to earn money without not watching the videos. So if you want to know this trick, please don't forget to subscribe. It's only for my subscriber alone. So what you just need to do is what? Press next. Yeah, can you see? $5. So you end up with $5. So if you want to know this trick, just subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. So I'll be dropping the trick for you. So and if you're using this trick, you need to be careful because there's how you can set it so I don't know ban your account. So I don't know ban your account, and the minimum payout is $100 USDT for minimum payout. For can request it. You pay in any amount you want. So they pay you money per video you watch. So if you click on this video now, you're going to earn money on it. So that's it. If you click here next again, 9. So that's if you click another next again, can you see $10? Wow, because I just sent $10 using this trick. So if you want to know this trick, subscribe, like, share the videos for more. So another next again, wow, $17 just now. So if you keep just pressing the next, $21, wow, without not even watching the videos. So if you know that you want to know this trick, subscribe. I'll keep saying it. If you do not subscribe, I'm not going to say this trick. So let's go next. Can you see 23? Next 26. Wow, so that's all about these videos. So don't forget to share it. Thanks.
You don't finish.